We're going to do a quick overview of the updates to GASMs that I just implemented. I tried to make this very simple. So if we go to where GASMs is hosted, we're going to take a look at the file structure. The main thing that matters is you have this config.yaml file right here that we're going to use. So if we just take a quick look at config.yaml, you'll see that the setup, it has some threshold warnings so that it knows, something should be yellow, red, green, yellow, red. It has networks, so I have mainnet on here. And if we page down, I have beta on here. Beta is still a little bit broken, but it does have multi-network support. The things that matter are you have your list of applications to look at. You have your bank, which is what funds the applications. And you have your gateway, which is, the actual gateway to which these applications are delegated, so you can monitor all of that. Also, you need a valid RPC endpoint, and I made this configurable, obviously, because these endpoints that we currently use are not going to be available forever. Now, really easy. There's no magic here. All we do is we hit make run, and we get, we get the I'm going to use, if you look at these sort functions, I'm looking for the lowest staked addresses because I want to stake one. So if we SS and we SS again, we should get the lowest stake application on the top of the screen. That being said, now what we're going to do is we are going to upstake this application. We're going to add 1,000 pocket to it. So we're going to, there's two ways to do this. We can either, we can either hit F, and that will fill out the dialog box in the bottom. Shoot, I just realized this isn't visible, so let me slide this up so you can see. This will fill in the command in the bottom, and you'll see it says :F, which is the same thing as :fund, and then it's got the address to which I'm funding, and then I'm going to say I want to send 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to hit enter. What this just did, and it gives you a transaction hash for you that you can grab. It gives you the, or it takes the bank address and sends 1,000 pocket from the bank to this address. So now if we just open another tab, we can talk to bank balances. Or, sorry, this is POC QTX. TX. $sign main node. And we'll see that this was successful. Another way that we can check this is if we just highlight that same address and we hit enter, we can now see that the balance on the bank balances has increased by 1,000. Hit escape, you have the same address. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hit U to upstake, and now we're going to upstake an additional 1,000 pockets. So we do the same operation. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, that's 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter. We get another transaction hash. We can again grab this, and we can do the same thing where we track it to see if it's gone through. But more importantly, the other screen should refresh. So if we look again and we hit R to refresh, we'll find Solana is at 3,000 something. Where did this go? I don't see it. So here, even better, / Solana. 3,030.40 cents. So there it goes. We found it again. It's in the green. Everything's happy. Everything is self-contained now within this application. I'm very pleased with this so far. This should make it very simple. This is predicated on having the private keys loaded in your local key ring, and that they do not require password level access.